Hello once again, this is Daihu and I am playing FIFA 13 for you, as you already know. I have done my squats and now we are gonna go out in the wide world of football. With other words, we advance. Yeah. Waiting for a moment. I hate the start of all careers because holy shit, that's a lot of mails. I don't want to read them. Maybe I should read them up for you. Should I do that? League objectives. The God is hopeful of the 16th song. We look forward to seeing how you're reaction. Blah blah blah. Domestic Cup. Win the cup. Okay. League objectives. Oh shit. Win the league title. Okay. Match. Fuck. That's because we're playing Champions League. Win the cup. Okay. That's Champions League. Yeah, I've called Michael Essien back. So, yes. Continue. Yes, as you can see, I'm selling all the old players as John Terry and Lampard, as the Kobu, Maluda. Yes. Arrived and ready to scout. I got a 5-5 start scout from Ireland. So yeah, we're gonna send him out. So a good tip is to send the scout out at the same place as they come from, because the young players you're gonna get is a lot better than if you took it from another country. I hope this makes sense what I'm saying, because it's pretty important if you don't usually play FIFA career. Peter Cech. Okay, the old. Okay, if you got a very high rated player as Peter Cech, except there comes a lot of bets on them because yeah, I don't know why. Because they're good players. I don't know. As you can see, Real Madrid is hoping to buy. What the fuck is he called? I forgot his name. Aguero. That was it. There it was. Yeah, I'm selling John Terry, and I'm not selling Gary Cahill because he's very young and he was my first team player. So yeah, you wanna see my squad? Wanna see my squad? You're so beautiful. Yeah, okay. Meh. This is not making sense. I said in my last video, don't judge me if I speak Danish, because I am from Denmark. So it sounds a bit weird if I do that. I can try to speak Danish. Okay, så her har vi simpelthen mit Chelsea-hold. Og det er jo bare super godt. Og nu skal vi spille videre på vores karriere. Så you hear that sounds very weird when I speak Danish. You don't understand a word of what I'm saying. So, wow. International management. What the fuck? Roberto Sanchez was my agent called. Manchester City want to buy Touré. Okay, Touré is not on my team, so out in the yeah, player sold. That was Terry. Goodbye. As you can see out of the right side of the screen, the league tables. Yes, I am on the third place, and Arsenal on the first. Wigan at the bottom. Yeah, that's usually all the bad teams that lose. That's logic. So I would like to win the league. That would be very nice. And in the left side, in the bottom left side, you can see we're gonna fuck Juan Mata. Manchester City, no fucking way. As I said before, in the left, Hummels. Shit, they bought Hummels. As you can see, the left bottom screen. You can see the next teams I'm gonna play versus. It's Mallorca and Levante. in the next month, April, I cannot post videos for you because I'm going to Barcelona. So, but that's just a few days. So, whatever. Yes, I'm playing on PlayStation. I don't know if you can see that or not. Flaw Meluda, he's very old, so we're gonna sell him, that bastard. Okay, I'm not racist. It's just, yeah. Karim Benzema. I would not like to buy any players because I think my team is very good as it is. Yeah. Okay. You can see. Okay, very soon we're gonna play versus Mallorca. So, yes. Tick tock on the clock. Oh, this is boring. Oh, I hate waiting for the matches. Friendly matches, I always simulating them because I don't want to play them. But with Chelsea, we're gonna play the what is it called? Community Shield final. So yes, I'm gonna play the final with you. Oh, please don't buy him. Oh fuck. This is unfair. If they buy him, very unfair. Because he's a very good player. But I don't want to buy anyone, so don't judge me for don't do that. Fuck det skidt det her. Jeg siger, speak Danish again. Simulate match. Shit, they got a crappy team. We got a good team. Oh, 2-0! 2-0 in your fucking ass, Etienne and Fernando Torres. That's very good. Fuck you, Mallorca. Yeah. Okay, that was a weird rage I made there. Fans rejoice as Sailor is triumphant in first friendly. Okay. Bayern München! Blah! Bayern München. Shit. Okay, it seems that though we're gonna play versus Bayern München. Okay. Okay, we're waiting. Okay, I'm simulating again. But we're gonna play versus Bayern München and Manchester City. Fuck! No! Fernando Torres is hurt. He's injured. Fuck. Very early at this. 8 weeks? Fuck you. We got a lot of substitutions themselves. Blah. So that's not meaning so much. Yeah. He's not even scored that many. Okay, he scored the first goal, so I will not mean that. We just ping on young stuff. Bamford. I don't know who he is, but we can try use him. Maybe he's useful. Maybe he's not. So that's pretty good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. Please leave a like and maybe a little sub, and that would be very nice. Goodbye from Daihu here.